Hello everybody. If you look this tutorial up, you're probably already following another JavaFX tutorial, and in that tutorial, the person has a local JavaFX template ready for their SDK, but your IntelliJ IDE doesn't have it. If you want to create your own JavaFX local template, keep following this tutorial. We're gonna get started off with IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. If you have the Ultimate Edition, I would recommend you get this one. Then go to the JavaFX website, go to Downloads, and you should match your JDK version with your JavaFX version, and your JDK version is available in your IDE. I'm going with 25.01, and I'm gonna choose Windows as my operating system, and in under type choose SDK, and then click download. After downloading, save it in a safe location like documents where it won't be changed, and extract it. I already extracted my one, so this is JavaFX SDK 2501, and then go to IntelliJ and click new project. Under new project, choose Java and name it template. You can name it anything you want. I'm going to name it template, and uncheck add sample code and choose your JDK version. I already told you what I'm going to choose, so let's go. And then go to click on these 4 lines here, and then click on file, go to project structure, and then go to global libraries and click on the plus sign and then click Java. Then go to where you extracted the javafx SDK file, and then select the lib folder or the library folder. So it will be added as library 1. I already have another version, the 21.09. So apply, and under modules, make sure lib1 or your library name is under dependencies. So you might start off at sources, click on dependencies, and then come here. Make sure this is compile. Don't change this, keep it on compile, and then press OK. Now we're gonna right click on src and then mark directory as, go under there and then unmark it as a sources root. And then we're going to create a new directory called Java, and we're going to create another directory called resources, and then we're going to mark the Java by right clicking on the Java directory and making it the sources root, and we're going to make the resources root as the resources root and resources folder as the resources root. And then under Java, we're going to create a package and name it com.template. And under that, we're going to create Java class. We're going to create our main Java file. And we're also going to create our main controller file. Under resources, go new, and then do directory, and then do com/template. And under com/template or com.template, it shows it like this. We're going to create a new fxml file. Let's name it main. Now it's going to ask for a controller name. Just type main controller. Yeah, so that's done. And then we're going to go to run. Again, click on the 4 lines here, horizontal lines here, go to run, edit configurations, click on the addition sign and application. Let's name it something like javafx.25 run. I'm adding 25 because I already have another version. You can name it anything you want, but I would recommend having javafx in the name. Click on store as project file, and then for the main class, it's main. But I guess we're gonna have to do com.template.main, yeah. And then click on modify options, add VM options, and in this part we're gonna have to go to the bro code tutorial. He has it in his description. Go to module, go to Windows or Linux or Mac if you have this one, and copy this part. Oh, sorry. And then go to VM options and copy this. Sorry, paste this. Inside the quotes, we're gonna copy our javafx library location. So go inside the library folder and then copy this location. So let's trace it back. We extracted the JFX folder, go inside library, copy, and then just paste it inside here, apply. Okay, it might show as a error right now, but just wait. I'm gonna give you the code in the description for everything. I'm gonna copy and paste it all. You just have to do this once, by the way. You don't have to do it every time you create a new project. Okay, guys. Now, just click on run and it should run. Okay, so I did add a button here. We're gonna remove that button soon, but no issues. Okay, let me just remove the button for a second. One sec. Yeah, it's okay now. Okay, so as you can see, everything has been done. Now we're going to take some safety precautions before you do anything. Go to settings, go to trusted locations. You can search it here, trusted locations, and add the project folder here. Sometimes templates don't work because Java doesn't trust the location. So please add this because this might break everything. Now let's create the template. Let's make sure everything's okay right now. So modules, dependencies, library 1, global SDK, global libraries, library 1, done. Go to run, edit configurations. Everything seems fine. Okay. Now go to new project setup under file and then save project as template. So I'm going to name it javafx.25 local temp. And uncheck this, replace parameters with placeholders. Okay. Okay, guys. And we should be able to use this. So let's name it test1, create this window. And as you can see, yep, everything works fine. Let's try to run this. Nice. Hello, friends. Now that you have a local JavaFX project template, you might be wondering, how do I use Scene Builder outside of the IDE? To do that, first of all, you need to go to the Scene Builder website, download the installer. The link will be in the description, and then install it. After installing it, it will show up on your Windows search bar as Scene Builder as an app. Right click on it and do open file location. This will take you to the shortcut for Scene Builder. So right click on that as well and then do open file location. So copy this location and then go to your fxml file in IntelliJ and then right click on it and do open in associated for application. Now I already did this, so I can't show it to you here, but what you're gonna see is after clicking on associated application, it's gonna show you something like this. Okay, so what you do is go to choose an app on your PC, do Ctrl+V, Scene Builder, and then click on Scene Builder. After doing this, for the fxml file, not the release file, don't do anything with that. So open in associated application. It should open Scene Builder outside of the thing. And why is this important? So, well, let's do something like this. So if you add a button here and then press Ctrl+S or save it, it automatically updates my fxml file. So when I run this, there's a button here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you guys out. We'll see you guys next time.